don't have to put and yesterday's worksheet there was and.
That's why I have told you, no, that is by mistaken taken the print from somewhere, so it is showing. Okay, so ignore the and in that. You will not write. Okay. Good
Okay, ma'am.
morning. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Children, as you all know that today is your chapter 1 CET. What is the name of the chapter? Arush Miani will tell me. Arush, what is the name of this chapter which I am going to take the CET?
Good
Yes, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What is the name of the chapter which we have a CET today?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Log out and log in again.
Okay, ma'am.
Dheer Kinsara. What is the name of the chapter which we have the test today? Chapter 1. What is the name of that chapter?
Ma'am, about the bricks, it was the chapter.
But what is the name exactly given in your book? Excellent to you all. Excellent. Arav Apani.
Yes, ma'am.
Dheer, you please check the book. Open your book and read. Arav, the chapter which I am going to take the CET today, what is the name of that chapter?
Ma'am, bricks.
Only bricks.
Ma'am, I
Hare,
can say
Hare will tell. Yes. Hare, what is the name of this chapter?
building with brick.
Got it, Arav Apani? What is the name of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, Arush Miani? What is the name of this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
We completed the chapter. We have done the concepts. I am going to take the CET today. Still, you don't know the name. So I think I must clap for you all. Yes, Dheer. Now you got it. What is the name of the chapter? Dheer.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of this chapter?
Building with bricks.
Harsh Keshwani. The test, you know, today is your
Yes.
CET.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of this chapter?
Building with bricks.
Dhwani. What we have learned in this chapter?
Yes, ma'am. We have learned 3D shapes.
Only 3D shapes. Riddhi, what next we have learned in this chapter?
We have learned how the we have learned bricks pattern.
Okay, Jignesh, what else we have learned in this chapter?
We have learned Roman numbers, unitary method, about the bricks.
We have learned patterns, we have learned shapes, we have learned number system, we have learned many things in this. We have learned unitary method in this, right? Okay, now listen carefully. Everyone should have one notebook with you for the rough calculations. If you know the answer mentally, then you can click the option mentally, right? You can click the option in that. Yeah, Pritika, right, good. That you have a notebook with you. So for the calculations, keep the notebook with you. Do the calculation in the notebook with the pencil only. Got it? And write the heading CET calculations in your notebook. Write today's date, write the heading CET calculations, and now you will, when you go to the Google form, you all have to log in from the classroom. I have posted the link in the classroom. You please open the classroom. Mathematics CET heading will come. In that there is a Google form. Open that Google form and read the questions carefully. Don't do it in a hurry. Read it properly and then click the final answer, because there are options given to you. Out of
Ma'am,
two or three options, you have to click one option, which is correct answer.
ma'am,
Am
I
I
have taken
getting?
rough notebook. It's okay. I have not taken maths notebook.
It's okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing. We have to type the name in the capital letter
Any. Log in from the classroom. Is there any child who's not able to log into the Google form? Muhammad Moem, I please request you not to take the help, any help from anyone.
Ma'am, I can't see the link in classroom.
Refresh your classroom, please. Which child was
Ma'am,
saying that thing?
Ma'am, I have got.
Yes. Is there any child who have not received the link in the classroom? Please write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, we have to write name in whole capital.
Any way.
Okay.
It will accept. Arav Apani, turn on your camera, please. Shivani, Hiya, Vedi, Viha, Moksh, Astha.
Ma'am, we have to write in capital all words.
What?
In capital or small writing.
What in capital or small?
Words.
Words.
Our
Which child is asking this? Vihan. Vihan, there is only name column which I have already instructed to everyone. You can write it in small, you can write it in capital, it will accept everything. Now no one will ask about the name because I already instructed. It's your choice. You can write it in small letters, you can write it in capital letters also.
Ma'am, we have to write that there is which shape is brick. I know the answer, but we have to write in 3D that it's 3D shape or 2D shape.
Options are given to you. You click the option.
Yes, but we have to click it's 3D shape or 2D shapes.
I am not going to give the answer right now. First answer you are asking, which one?
Second, there is.
What is the shape of a brick? So you, out of these three, brick. If I am asking the brick, complete brick,
Okay.
so it will be natural. It's a 3D shape, not a 2D. When I am asking one face, then it's a 2D.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm asking about the complete brick. Brick किस shape में होता है? तो you just only visualize the brick in your mind. Hare, do your work.
Ma'am, I am doing only.
Yes, thank you. And please lower down your hands. Hiya, Shivani, lower down your hands, please. Laksh, Arth Gujarati, Arab, turn on your camera. Why your camera is off?
Ma'am, I am going city form, so it is going off.
Okay.
My also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am doing. Ma'am, I also.
It's okay now. Please do your work.
Ma'am,
There
I
are
am
20.
doing, and that's why my camera is off.
Okay. There are total 20 questions in the Google form. Yes. Yes, Dheer.
Ma'am, what is PLCING?
PLC. Wait, in which question?
No, PLACING.
Which question you are asking?
Ma'am, 12th.
Which shape can be made by placing? PLACING means placing. Placing a
Oh,
brick in the garden. Garden में जब हम brick लगाते हैं, so how we place? We place in a circular, we place in a star or a triangular shape.
I have done the question.
Okay. If you're still confused, you just take the objects, observe the objects. I can see that Hare was doing very nicely. He was having some cuboid things. He is counting the edges. He is counting the faces. Yes, Hare? Am I right? Yes. Good. So if you are still confused, take the objects, observe them, count their faces, count their edges. Yes. Good. Now do the next question, Hare. What are you doing, Ayush? Why are you looking into your book and your notebook? Ayush, I'm talking to you. You're not required to look and search the answers in your notebooks or books. Because I can ask these questions anytime in any class. Hare, please not to take help from anyone. Hare, I'm requesting you, please don't take help from your parents. Children, I'm requesting to each and every child not to take help from your parents. If you have any confusion, ask me in the next class. Riddhi, you have any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so are you reading for yourself, right? Okay. Mohammed done? Mohammed Momin done? Okay.
I'm submitted.
You received the marks, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. do one thing. Those who have submitted me, I think 4 to 5 students submitted me, and they can write the tables in their rough notebook. Write table of 12, 13 and 14 in your rough notebook.
Rough notebook?
Yes. You got no one extra notebook with your set?
Yes, there's that big one.
That is the revision notebook. One more small notebook, rough notebook.
I'm done.
Mom, I cannot find that.
No problem. Any rough notebook if you have at home, write the tables 12, 13 and 14.
Ma'am, I know till 15. Can I write up 16 and 17?
Yes.
I can also.
Yes, yes, everyone.
I know till 20.
So you write 16, 17, 18. In your grade 4 till 20 tables are there. Okay?
So I can write till 20.
Hmm.
Done, ma'am.
Write tables in your rough notebook. This is the common instruction for everyone. Once you complete your this CET, start writing the tables in your notebook. If you know till 12, then 13, 14, 15. If you know till 15, then 16, 17, 18. This way you write the tables in your notebook. Don't sit. Write tables in your notebook, rough notebook. No one will leave the class. Your class timing is till 10:05. Before that, you cannot leave the class. Rough notebook. Or in a revision notebook, the big one, if you have the big one revision notebook, in that also you can write the tables.
Pen or pencil?
Pen or pencil, anything you can use. Please do not write marks in the chat box. I request everyone not to write the marks in the chat box. Your marks I can see. I have a
Which
list.
table we have to write?
Yes?
Which table we have to write?
You know till which number? Mosh?
15.
15. You write 12, 13, 14, right?
Ma'am, what we have to do now? My CT is done.
Write tables. Table of 12, 13 and 14 in your rough notebook or the revision notebook.
Ma'am, now
Yes.
what we have to do?
I only know till 12.
So you write the table and then learn it.
Okay.
Okay. Hare, I was giving the common instruction for everyone that please once your CET is completed, you please write the tables in your revision notebook or in the rough notebook. Table of 12, 13 and 14. Dhwani, your CET is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, not in Max notebook.
No, not in maths notebook. Yes.
In this notebook, we have to write tables.
Which notebook is this? Yes, you can write in this. Turn on your camera now. When you are writing the tables, I want to see everyone. Please turn on your camera, everyone.
Ma'am, which table?
12, 13, 14.
Ma'am, in the notebook.
Not in maths notebook, in revision notebook.
Ma'am, which revision notebook?
The long one.
Ma'am, I am writing in rough book.
It's okay. Dhwani, your mic is on. Yes, Pritika. You buy with anything, with a pen also, with the pencils also. It's your choice. If you are quite comfortable to write with the pen, you can write with the pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Kritika, mute your mic, please. Children, in our just for your information, I'm telling you, in our next class, we will start chapter number 3, not the chapter number 2. Chapter number 3 we will start in our next class. So be ready with the book and the notebook in the next class. Tomorrow is our holiday, and then Thursday we don't have class. 4B is not having class on Thursday. And I think 4B is directly now having on Friday.
Ma'am,
Yes,
you
Asta.
got my.
You receive your marks, Asta?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I received. Okay?
Ma'am.
Today
Yes.
is holiday.
Tomorrow is holiday. Today, so you are there in the class.
Wednesday and Thursday is holiday.
Only one day, Wednesday.
Okay.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Write table of 12, 13 and 14 in your revision notebook. The long one. Write the heading maths work and start doing the tables.
Ma'am, I can write.
Ma'am, why tomorrow is holiday?
Tomorrow is Ram Navami. In your class, it is posted, no? Why it is holiday? Reason also written. Just check. Check your classroom.
tomorrow Kayuri ma'am sent that.
Yesterday Kayuri ma'am has.
Ma'am, why we are not doing long and short? Direct it to Gopal.
No, I will let you know why we are doing in the next class. Okay.
Ma'am, I can write with the pen.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have done 16 and 17.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Start learning tables till 15. From next week, I'll start asking the tables also. Till 15 first, and then once you clear till 15, then we look forward to the 20. If you already know till 15, then you learn till 20.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, can I go to
I have written.
Yes, please go.
I am writing 12 to 20.
Good, good. Because from next week onwards, I'll start asking the tables.
May I drink water?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, my note is 17.
When I will ask, I will see how much you know. But in grade 4 till 20 tables, you should learn by heart. I can ask in any form. I can ask in dodging also, in between also. So you should be clear with the tables and alert, right?
Ma'am, my note is 20.
Okay. Four minutes still left. Please complete. Let me see how many of you completed. 21 students completed. There are still 2-3 students who need to complete.
Ma'am, I done till 15.
I'm not asking.
Students are left.
I am not asking from anyone how many you know. Okay, once I will ask the tables, that time you should know the tables and you have to answer me. Okay.
Ma'am, only one student is left.
There are 23 in the class total.
But one is your presentation.
Okay. Let me check. Please submit. Only 4 minutes are left.
Ma'am, which we are doing the papers we have to send to you.
Tables.
Ma'am, only
No.
3 minutes. Only 3 minutes.
Yeah. Now it's 3 minutes. I'm announcing from the last 4 minutes. Please complete it fast. And I request those who have scored below 15, they need a lot of practice to do. I request to the students, because I can see your marks here. When I will present the screen, you also check your number, check your marks. And the children who score below 15 need to work hard. Harsh Keshwani, Moksh, Hiya 14, Diva Chauhan, Moin Kuledi, Laksh, Arth Gujarati. These are the students. One more child is there, 12 marks only, Laksh. These are the students, they need to work hard. Those who score below 15, please work hard and start practicing.
Okay, ma'am.
Two minutes are left. Harsh Keshwani, next time I need that you work hard. You need to practice regularly. If you can see your scores, it's only 11. And this is not that we have taken the CET, we have done the chapter and our chapter is complete and now ma'am will never open this chapter. I can ask the questions from previous chapters anytime. Anytime I can discuss and take your test and take your surprise test or take your oral test anytime to check whether you are checking your previous chapter or just you have left after the CET. No, it is not like that. That CET is taken and that chapter will not come again. That chapter will keep on revising in our next classes also with the other chapters also. Got it? It is not like that that CET is done and now ma'am is not going to ask about the chapter 1 anything in any class. No. A big no to that. I can ask anything from the previous chapter anytime. You should keep on revising your syllabus every time. You should keep on revising your chapters, what we have discussed in the class every time. Okay? Not like this that once the CET is done and the chapter is done. No. I can bring more questions. I can ask anything else from this chapter. Anytime you should be alert. Go through the chapter every time. Go through the concepts every time. Got it? Okay, it's 10:05. Let me see the child has submitted or not. Still 21 responses. Okay, I will check which child has not submitted till now.
Ma'am, some are left. There are only 21 now.
Yeah. So the child maybe might left the class. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.